It looks like the snow is moving in. The blues is snow. And it is what? 7:02. So it's in the area, but still nothing outside. Just about finished with this rebuild or upgrade to this thing. It's putting in Microsoft Security Essentials right now for antivirus. It's free. I don't know how good you can see it down there, but that's the old tower, and put another drive in there, and those fans are put a better graphics card in. But getting the software put in right now. So also before the snow hits, I'm gonna, before the snow hits and everything, I'm gonna do some stuff on here and get that one done. Listen to the old ham radio tonight and the scanner as well. So I'll be checking in with you later. And what are they doing tonight? They're doing a transmitter hunt on Simplex. But coming up on the 9 o'clock net, so we'll be sneaking in. Hang on. Somebody on there?
Cool.
A third of
maybe I'm echoing. That's kind of cool. They lead you to the correct position, or do they elude you? They lead you the wrong way or down the right path.
Being in this room isn't always the best.
And of course, got another text message. But you know what though? What do you think it is? Winter weather advisory again. It's the second one from today. So anyway, we know it's gonna snow, we just don't know how much. But anyway, they are back on the air. No idea where they're at, but they gotta be relatively close because they're
KD0LK.
it's gone up just a little bit. Oh, so much for that. Watching some old YouTube videos too. And of course, if anyone of you out there work on computers or even remember this little program called Memory Test, test the old DDR and SD, and I'm not sure if they make it for DDR2 or 3 yet, but it's a good little program. Takes a long time to run, but it's a good little program to have just in case you think you have a bad memory stick or something. This one is, I'm testing all 3 of them, so it could take a while. I've got just over 1.2 gigs in there, 3 slots. So anyway, it's a good little program, but like I said, it's been around for a long time. Memory test is at 52% and it's been going for 51 minutes. So let's run upstairs and see what everybody else is doing. I've been down here a little bit too long. See if it's actually not raining, snowing outside yet. It's supposed to start snowing around 6 or 7. Wasn't earlier, but we're gonna go up and see what's going on. That goes over there.
Choose Inspiron 15i, the laptop that offers more.
Hey Jeffrey, what are you doing? How are you? How you feeling? Not sleepyhead?
The Christmas tree.
Oh, Christmas tree. How you feeling? You feeling better? You got little sniffers, huh? Let's go check on Jen, see if she's asleep. No, she ain't asleep. Damn. I was gonna scare you. So how's Jeffrey been acting? Jeffrey okay? Let's take a look outside. Anything? No, not yet. Nothing. No snow. Don't really know. That's too close. Hardly any wind. So I don't know. I'm getting a little hungry. How about you? Let's make a pizza. Okay, let's make a pizza right there. Boom! I think we're ready to eat. Let's go have some pizza now. Jen, you want some pizza too? Let's see if I want some pizza or not. Jen, you want some pizza too?
What?
You want some pizza? It's supreme.
No.
Okay. Oh well, here's the snow. Oh, let's get that zoomed in there. There you go. Yeah, we are right there. It's just keeping south to us. Looks like it's trying to push this way, but anyway. Oh, looky, looky, looky. It is finally snowing, and in big chunks too.
Because I took my Tylenol.
Let's take a look outside live.
Oh, don't close the door.
It's alright, it's alright. It's, well, it's just a light dusting. But still.